Like, if you didn't believe that lace matters, you definitely believe now. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. In today's video, we're back with a special video for you guys. Today we're working with Xrsbeauty, and they sent over this lovely unit, and honestly I feel like I got a fresh perm. I feel like I got a sew-in, but it's not giving wig at all. Like, the unit is their new clear lace unit. It's 18 inches long. It has a density of 200%. I love it. Super easy to install, nice natural finish. Go ahead and check out the video. Like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe so you guys can see more of my amazing videos, and I'll see you guys in another one. So this is the package your wig came in. Super pretty. This is my first time actually working with this company. I love the packaging. I love how pretty this is. So we did receive some goodies in our package. If you checked out my previous video, I did tell you guys that lace plays a big part when you're selecting your wigs, and in today's video I have the perfect example of why lace matters when you're selecting your wig. Today we'll be installing the new clear lace wig from Xrsbeauty, and as you can see, the hairline already comes with that clean plucked vibe. This is what it's looking like. Hairline has that nice plucked look. The unit is a 18-inch 13x6 deep part unit, and the density on this one is 200%. I definitely love this unit. I wanted to show you guys this unit straight out the box. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between the new clear lace that they sent for us and the previous laces that we've installed. So before installing the unit, I wanted to show you guys the difference between the HD lace and the new clear lace that we're about to install today. So I'm going to show you guys the HD lace first. I'm just going to apply some of my got-to-be glue. So this is the HD lace. This is it. Now let's do the clear lace. Just gonna place it right there. This is what they look like. This is the HD lace, and this is the clear lace that we have today. You can definitely see the difference in the clear lace. It's giving us a really nice melt. While you can actually see the HD lace, even though it's melted, this is it. So now we're about to move along to the install. I'm just gonna go ahead and push my edges back using my Shine and Jam before we put our wig on. So this is the hairline. Nice, clean, fully plucked hairline. So the glue I'm using today is the Even Wonder Lace Bond glue. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my hair into 3 sections before I glue it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and place the lace down section by section. So because the hairline is too low, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of this section out. So let's go ahead and tie this down with this melting band. So I'm just going to keep this on for around 10 to 15 minutes while the lace melts. But this is it. This unit is actually their 18-inch unit. So this is what it's looking like. And I haven't even like melted the hairline. I just glued it. And this is the vibes that it's given. Let's go ahead and cut this lace off because she is pretty. So in order to melt the lace, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of the glue on the end of my tail comb and then just press it in there, tie it down, and finish styling the unit. This is actually a free part unit, so you could choose to do a side part or a center part because they didn't pluck any part for us, which is really good. I like when I have options on my wig. This is it. Now let's go ahead and finish styling the unit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. First of all, look at the hairline. The hairline is giving us supernatural, realistic hairline, nice, clean, plucked hairline. It is melted. It is giving us a nice, clean, melted look. I love this new clear lace. Like, I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Just the lace. And then the wig is just super pretty. I love the wig. So this for me is definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, look how pretty she is. Like, this is giving tape-ins, this is giving sew-ins. It is not giving wigs, okay? I love how natural this looks. I will be linking the hair down below for you guys to make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for checking out today's video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.